In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, PNG, or HTML file. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, I recently had a pretty fun back-and-forth exchange with ChatGPT about who the best tutorial channel on YouTube is. And honestly, I'd love to hear your thoughts on that in the comments. But let's get back on topic, saving your ChatGPT conversations. Sometimes you'd want to keep that insightful dialogue for later reference, or maybe you want to share it with someone else. Fortunately, exporting your chat history is a seamless process, and I'm here to walk you through it. Before we dive in, I want to point out that, at this moment, this method primarily works if you're only dealing with text in your conversation. If you've included any images, unfortunately, this method will not accommodate those, but fear not. Follow my steps, and you'll have your written dialogue saved in no time. First things first, once you're in your chat with ChatGPT, look for the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click. This is where the magic starts happening. You'll have an option to create a link for your chat, which is super handy. Go ahead and create that link, and once that's generated, make sure to copy it to your clipboard. Now here's a little tip. Paste that link to open it in a new window. What this does is give you a cleaner layout of your conversation. It removes any additional distractions that you might encounter on the main interface. Once the new window is open and you can see your chat clearly, your next step is to highlight all the text. You might have to scroll a bit, depending on how lengthy your chat is. Start from the very top, right at the first letter, and drag your cursor all the way down until you've selected everything. This is crucial for the next step. Once everything is selected, right-click on the highlighted text and look for the Print option. When you click Print, a dialog box will pop up. At this stage, you want to select Save as PDF as your printer destination. Now, before saving, let's fine-tune a couple of settings to ensure our text fits nicely on the page. Click on More Settings. The default margin setting might not be ideal, so you'll want to adjust that. You can set the margin to None, which typically organizes everything neatly on the screen. If you still see that your chat is a bit crowded, you can also play around with the Scale feature to fit more text on the page. Once everything looks good, click on Save as PDF to finalize your document. After choosing a location on your computer to save it, hit Save. And just like that, your chat history will be stored as a PDF file. If you open that file, you should see your entire conversation neatly compiled. You'll see every question and response clearly laid out, like a treasure trove of information. Now remember, currently this method isn't suitable for chats that include images. So, if you've had a visual discussion with ChatGPT, you may need a different way to capture those details. But don't worry. For straightforward text conversations, this method works beautifully. So there you go. The next time you have an enlightening conversation with ChatGPT, or need to reference a past dialogue for any reason, you'll have this method at your disposal. Give it a shot, and let me know if you're going to utilize it. I always love hearing how my tips shape your experience. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and I hope you find these steps easy to follow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more tips and tricks in the future. Happy chatting!